Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to disable push notifications in the Alibaba app on your mobile device. If you're receiving unwanted alerts and wish to turn them off, this video is for you. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the My icon to open your profile. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the Settings icon. After that, scroll through the settings options and select Notifications. Following this, tap on Push. Now, you'll see an option labeled Allow Notifications. Toggle this setting off to disable all push notifications from the app. Next, click on Disable All. Then, your phone's main settings will open automatically. Finally, click on Manage Notification and turn off Allow Notifications to complete the process. You have now successfully disabled all push notifications in the Alibaba app. For more helpful tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.